So last time my VF8, my VinFast VF8 battery went down to 1%, and then finally VinFast got a truck and took the car away. And guess where the car is now? It is right here, still in the service center. And apparently, this is what VinFast told me, that my car right here is one of the earliest VF8s. So it's actually missing a few components. It's missing a few components inside. They say something about the VCU box and also the anti-interference box or something like that. I don't know what they're talking about. But anyways, they're saying that well, this is one of the earliest VF8, and that's why, I guess that's why it's having all sorts of problems. And it's been, I think, more than a week, and we're still not getting our VinFast back because we're waiting for the parts from the manufacturer, okay?
Hello, Tom. I know about your success, about your YouTube channel. I am sure that you are going to be expanding and growing more and more. Saludos, Tomás.
Guess where I am? I'm actually at the VinFast service center right over there, but I don't want to film in there because they don't allow cameras there, and I want to be respectful. And the reason why I'm here is because my VinFast VF8 is still at the service center, and in fact I just saw my VF8. It's been there for more than a week, and if you remember the last time I showed you my VF8, we had some problems. The battery was down to 1%. We left the car over the weekend for about 4 days up by the side of the road, and the battery went down to 1%, and VinFast had to get a tow truck and get the car back to the service center, and that's where it is now. So they told me that my VinFast VF8 is one of the earliest cars ever made, so it needs to replace certain parts. They told me that we need to replace the anti-interference box, the VCU unit, the vehicle control unit box, and also they replaced the battery. They replaced the 12-volt battery. So they're still waiting for the vehicle control unit to arrive from the manufacturer. They're waiting for that final part. Once they put that in, they can return the car to me, and hopefully everything should work perfectly, right? But VinFast was very nice because I've been without my VinFast for a week and decided to give me a loaner. So they gave me this VinFast Lux SA 2.0 Turbo, and man, it's a pretty big car. It's bigger than the VF8, and it's a petrol car, and it's a loaner. It's actually a dealership car, right? So they let me borrow it for the next few days or however long until they can return the car to me. I thought that's a very nice gesture, and I just want to thank VinFast for doing that for me, even though I have like 4 other cars, but you know, I appreciate it, and also I like the opportunity to drive a VinFast petrol car. So I'm gonna have this car, you know, for a few days. I don't think I will review it. You know, I will only review electric cars, but I think I will enjoy this car. And also this weekend, actually, I'm meeting up with a lot of the VF8 owners, probably in District 2 in Ho Chi Minh City, and we're gonna share stories with each other about, you know, all the experiences we had, you know, with the VF8. I think that should be very exciting. I wish I can drive my VF8 there, but probably I cannot because it's in the shop. But I'll probably take this one there. Either this one or my VinFast VF34. I'll decide, you know, on the weekend. All right, so thank you, VinFast. Take some fucking action, fix my car, and don't be a fucktard.